Marketing budgets.
You have 10,000 to spend.
What are you going to do? Hi, I'm Sam Ashdown from Prioritised.
I felt like we should have said, Anne's Dexter on I'm a Celebrity. Get me out here. That's how that felt at the beginning. And I'm AshdownJones. And we're not Anton Deck, far from it.
I just thought we were going to re-record that, but we'll move on. We'll move on. Right, you've got a 10k marketing budget.
And the reason why we choose 10k is because that's what we would recommend you spend from an agency, really from day dot, if you can, to multi six figures. We
actually don't spend very much in our agency. I know agencies spend nothing and then they're relying completely on word of mouth, but that's not really scalable. No. And at the other end of the spectrum, we've known, in fact, I worked with an agent a couple of years ago that was spending £80,000 a month, and that was not, a year, and that was not including portals. So only a little agency like ours.
Well,
we're doing less turnover.
We have a client who we love to bits, but you try and, if anyone tries to sell him anything, that's it.
Says yes.
He's off with his credit card.
All right, so how are we going to spend our 10k a year as an estate agent, a letting agent, someone who wants to grow their business? How are we going to spend it?
Yeah, and these are kind of basics. So what we feel are the most important things. Obviously, what we always bang on about is direct mail. We think in terms of an instant quick win of outreach, direct mail beats all forms in our opinion. So for a year, we've said around £4,000, that's for postage and printing. And that should do around 300 letters or pieces of mail a month.
A bit more actually, isn't it? It's maybe up to 400.
Depending on your spec.
You've got a bit of style and stuff to put in the letter maybe. Yeah. So about 4k a year should be a healthy budget for your direct mail. And we're not talking leaflets, because that would be about 1 million leaflets. We're talking letters in envelopes with stamps on them and then handwritten addresses. Okay, so what about the rest of the stuff? Well, we also do a ton of content. That's what this is. Social media goes with the content. Facebook ads. We don't at the moment do Google Ads and Google Display Network, but maybe you do. If you're going to do all these things, what you're missing is a copywriter. You need somebody to actually put the copy together for you. So if you're not a master copywriter, and let's guess that they're probably not because we're estate agents. Great estate agent, bad copywriter. No. I asked a client of ours he had an idea for a letter, and I said, right, shoot me some ideas of this letter, this first draft, and I'll polish it. And he said, what shall I put in it? So I just gave him some bullet points. So he just sent the bullet points back to me. Want me to turn it into a letter? Actually, but letter writing is a skill. So is Facebook ads writing. So's Google ads writing.
The most underrated skill in marketing, across all marketing, is copywriting. Any copy. Copy can turn a
no into a yes.
A bang average video into something that hundreds and thousands of people will watch. It can turn a amazing video into completely useless because no one will watch it. That's how important copy is. So on everything, whether it's in your direct mail, if you can follow all our rules in direct mail. If the copy is rubbish, you're probably not going to get a response.
Yeah.
In terms of content, if your copy is rubbish, again, you're not going to get...
Nobody's going to read your blog, and everybody's going to think actually that you a poor representation of a professional through your blog if it's not written properly.
Yeah.
So, yes.
Facebook ads are completely pointless, if you don't understand what you're doing in copywriting.
It's funny, they say that the picture on a Facebook ad grabs the attention and then the copy converts.
Gary Vaynerchuk says that if he sits down and spends time, because he claims it's always copy, I'm not sure. If he sits down and concentrates on the copy he writes for his social posts, his social media, he can increase engagement by 600% by focusing on his copy rather than just chucking some words together.
Amazing. And actually, Isaac was putting some Facebook ads together and I told him to come up with 10 headline ideas. And actually, we didn't even use one of those 10. We progressed, and it might be 15, it might be 20. But the copy, the skill is in choosing the right words to put in the right order, in the right place in your copy to make them do their job, which is to get your phone ringing.
So we've said £500 a month, which is probably tight, but you can always try. We'll get you a copywriter for £6,000 a year. So that's £10,000, and that should encompass everything, all the major, important, critical, what we think, lead generation tactics.
So you've got £833.33 to spend per month.
You do.
That's how you should spend it. Hopefully you've enjoyed this Whiteboard Wednesday.
Well, alternatively, it wouldn't be right for us not. It doesn't even exist. We did have a slide which was all about the fire wave. Well, what I'll say is, alternatively, copywriting, as we bang on about, is critically important. It's extremely difficult to do, extremely difficult to find someone who is a good sales copywriter that understands the industry. I have not seen another one. There's some great copywriters out there, but not in terms of actually selling to a response. Copywriting for content is a totally different ballgame to copywriting for a response. So
if you don't want to go out and find yourself a copywriter, this is how much you can pay us instead. Go to fire-wave.co.uk/start and find a few areas available. That's the first thing to do.
if it's not, then
If it's not, I'll have to wait list you, or just say, sorry, not right now. So £4,200 a year is all the copy that you need for if you're sales. £3,000 a year if you are just lettings. And you can choose, you can be sales and lettings, then just take on our lettings or just take on our sales. And then this is for both. So for the sake of £6,000 a year, all that is covered for you. And you'll get not only the copy, because obviously you can go and get a copywriter for maybe even less than that, but it's not just the copy, it's all the graphics and everything else that goes into it, and actually the strategy behind it.
yeah,
all, and the app.
the strategy is important, especially for the adverts. Obviously, even if you know the strategy, you need the copy, but if you've got the copy, you still need to know the strategy. So it really is a million miles away for the majority of agents. But if this doesn't look right to you or doesn't attract you, we hope it obviously does, then go back to this, and this is kind of how you need to be thinking £10,000 a year, but you don't need to go over that, you don't need to go overboard. These are really simple things that everyone can do, that everyone can spend a bit of time and effort and money in, try and get it right, and for £10,000 you should be able to at least do multiple.
Get through some doors.
Yeah, get through more doors, which is the point.
Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, go to that fire-wave.co.uk/start. Find a few areas available, and let's have a chat.
See you soon.
Bye.